Did you know that the American Heart Association recommends jumping rope as a fantastic way to boost your heart health? That's right, it's not just about fancy footwork and cool tricks. It is an excellent workout to boost your health and fitness, and especially your heart health. So if you're ready to take your heart health to the next level, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and
let's get started.
If you are having heart problems, do make sure to consult a physician before starting any exercise program, including jumping rope. Now, if you want any of the equipment that you see in this video, any of it interests you, makes you want to go and buy that What's That Jump Rope, check it out. It's in the links down below. Now let's get back into the video. There are several ways in which jumping rope can significantly benefit heart health. Let's get into a few. Your heart rate is elevated when you jump rope, which is important for your cardiovascular health. This enhances the efficiency of the heart pumping action by strengthening the heart muscles. Jumping rope regularly improves your heart's ability to handle physical stress.
Oh, yeah, we're all under a lot of stress these days.
Jumping rope is an aerobic exercise.
And it's a great aerobic workout.
You can improve the efficiency of your cardiovascular system by working out aerobically. As a result, the body receives more oxygen and blood, making jumping rope an efficient and effective way to boost your cardiovascular health. Jumping rope elevates your heart rate, which is crucial for cardiovascular health. This helps strengthen the heart muscles, making it more effective in pumping blood.
Is your heart beating faster? Is your pulse racing?
As you continue to engage in regular jumping rope sessions, your heart becomes more resilient and capable of handling more physical stress. Jumping can burn a lot of calories.
Yeah, makes a healthy body.
It is vital to maintain a healthy weight if you want to prevent heart disease, since excess weight is associated with several cardiovascular risk factors. Jumping rope regularly not only helps you manage your weight, but it helps improve your heart at the same time. Jumping rope increases cardiovascular endurance by conditioning your heart and lungs to work efficiently over time. The increased endurance not only benefits your heart health, but it also improves your stamina and energy levels. Physical activity like jumping rope can raise your HDL and lower LDL.
But why should I care?
You want to maintain this balance as it reduces your risk of heart disease. Jumping rope is an effective stress-reducing exercise.
Oh, no strain, no stress.
The management of chronic stress can contribute to heart problems, which is why it's important to incorporate activities that help manage stress into your daily routine. For instance, jumping rope for a few minutes every day can reduce stress levels and improve cardiovascular health. Jumping rope is a great way to lower your blood pressure.
Your blood pressure is low and you are in good health.
By reducing blood flow resistance, it dilates blood vessels. Maintaining heart health is largely dependent on lowering your blood pressure. Jumping rope provides a full body workout, which helps to increase your heart rate and release endorphins.
Exercise gives you endorphins. Endorphins make you happy.
It can also help to improve coordination and balance, making it an ideal exercise for people of all ages. Jumping rope is not only good for your heart, but it's good for the rest of your body. Now check out this podcast where I'll tell you every way that jumping rope helps you out with the rest of your body, and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.